Here's where you can go to enable the magnification feature found on your Android phone with Android 15. If it's your first time looking for this feature, go ahead and use the quick access and go into the main settings by looking for the settings toggle. Once in the main settings of your Android phone, for most Android phones, if you type into the search settings the words magnification, you'll most likely see the suggestion and it's part of the accessibility settings. So go ahead and tap on it after you type it and it shows the suggestion. And now that you're here, it'll tell you where to go next. As you enter here now, it's going to give you an idea of how it works. So for most Android phones, once you enable it, in which you have to turn on the shortcut so that you can make use of it. So when you turn on the shortcut, you'll most likely see this little floating icon here, and you just press got it. Now, if you want more ways to access the magnification, you can always go into the shortcut options here. And this will allow you to also use the holding down of the volume up and down keys together if you want to. So it's up to you, okay? Now, with all that said and done, if this is all ready to use here, let's just say I'm anywhere browsing the internet, and when I tap on the icon, this is gonna enable it. Okay, so you'll notice how it's a bit more bold, and now it's gonna work. So to zoom in and out, simply you just take your two fingers, pinch inwards and outwards, okay? So this is just a simple, basic way of doing it here. You'll also notice that there is this sort of orange outline on your screen when the feature is on. So as I tap on it one time, it's gonna turn off. And when I turn it back on, you'll notice the orange outline, which lets you know that it's currently enabled, okay? And of course, you'll just go back into these settings to disable the shortcut, like and said.